ito yung ginagawa namin pang travel kami. Pinto kami sa may picnic area. Luto ng pagkain. Then, kumilok ka. Sorry, then. Uy, Zoe! What are you doing? Yeah? What's up?
Love you. Wah wah diddly do.
Whoa!
We love you.
Okay. Daming garlic para sa adobong pusit. Yan ang nabili kong pusit sa malayong lugar. Maglilimang taon na. Ngayon pa lang ako nakakain ulit ng adobong pusit. What's that?
Oh, it's garlic over there. Zoe. She got her leg up. She's going in. Ain't no stopping her.
What's she now in the sit in the tub?
No.
You need to watch her closer because she like to fell down, climb, and slide in there. Ayaw niya to na ganitong klaseng loto. Gusto niya lang gisa. Kaso, binilay ko to para sa akin. Kaya, ano, parang walang pinta. Parang walang pinta. Lagyan ko ng Korean na sili. Ito yung paborito kong ulam ng bata pa ako. Pag umalis yung nanay ko puntang palengke. Ito yung lagi kong gustong pabili. Pusit. Kaso, yung nanay ko pag namalengke may plano na kadalasan isda. So, yan na.
And I get some
Sangkatutak
soap
na.
in my hand. They're
Ayan.
all gone.
Ang kamay. Come here.
I just wasted more.
You want to eat this? Squid. Takot siya sa eksura. ocean. Be a little bit. And interesting. So, meron akong ginawang homemade beans. Mash ko lang siya. Ano yung...
Hard here. I was trying to get a proposal. Do I need to get a scarifier? I haven't been there looking. Backyard deal. What are you doing there, gorgeous?
You think it's not cooked? Say good morning, good morning. Hello, Scarlett. Yum. Say hi po. What's that, snacks?